honoring the life and the legacy of Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, an icon known as a fighter, dedicating much of her career to advancing women's rights. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Rick Ritter. Now, Ginsburg died from complications related to pancreatic cancer. She will be honored at both the Supreme Court and the U.S. Capitol as those tributes continue to pour in. And
WJZ is live in D.C. tonight, and Ava Joy Burnett spoke to some of the people who came out, and there are many of them, to honor her life and legacy. Ava Joy.
And it continues right now, Denise. So many people saw Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg as an icon, and they've had to remove hundreds of flowers that were placed there over the weekend. And the memorial, it's growing once again. Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg was only the second woman who was appointed to the High Court. Her legacy lives on.
I, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, do solemnly swear.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg was nominated to the U.S. Supreme Court in 1993. By then, her fight for women's equality was well established. She'd already won 5 of the 6 cases she argued before the High Court. When she died Friday, a memorial started to grow.
Literally yesterday, I woke up and I just felt compelled to be here.
Yolanda Trotman, an attorney and former judge, came from Charlotte.
Whether or not you believe or agree with her politically, she was the one that was willing to dissent. She was the one that was willing to speak truth to power.
The equal citizenship stature of men and women is a fundamental human right.
With a still voice and small stature, Justice Ginsburg was often a force behind landmark cases, and her bold opinions gave her the nickname Notorious RBG. This architect from Baltimore told us she wouldn't be here today had it not been for the precedent the justice set.
Even being able to have my own credit card, I didn't have to find a man to sign for that.
Justice Ginsburg's work for equality spanned decades and inspired generations.
Thank you for paving the way for strong women everywhere.
Monday, mothers brought their daughters here. Fathers did the same.
She represented what strong women can do.
After 27 years, the institution and the people honor a woman who believed in equal justice under law.
To me, Ruth Bader Ginsburg represented so much of what our people at our core are.
Later this week, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg will lie in repose here at the U.S. Supreme Court and then in state at the U.S. Capitol, an honor that's bestowed to very few Americans. Live tonight at the U.S. Supreme Court, Ava Joy Burnett for WJZ.